Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, wireless charging station. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.